Hello everybody, my name's Howard Stott. I'm MD of a company called Howard Stott Demolition. I'm here today in Liugong's yard in Altrincham looking at my next acquisition. So we're the demolition business. We concentrate mainly on structures to take down, whether it's a bus shelter, a hen cabin or a multi-storey car park. We do all various sizes, depends what's there, and if we can make money on it, and I'm happy doing it, we do it. We've picked this Liugong 25-ton machine with a high-rise cab. 2 or 3 reasons. One reason, there's not that many people out there that do the high-rise cab for what we want it to do on the demolition. And another reason, price. We run all various types of makes and models. With the way the industry's going, we have to cut down on something, and it's the cost. And the cost of machines are going up and up and up and up. This machine came along and we looked at it and thought this could be good for our business. And we looked at the warranty, the price, and the overall of the machine. And I said, yeah, we'll give it a go. And in fact, this particular machine with a high-rise cab, when it came on site, I was the first on it for 2 weeks, and I'm very impressed with it actually. After 2 weeks, I couldn't really fault it for the warranty we get from them, for what it's cost and the build quality, and the fuel consumption and how it is to drive for an operator. I have to look at all that and how powerful it is, how quick it is, and it's ticked all the boxes. Again, when we look at equipment, backup is king. Now, you can have the cheapest machine or the dearest machine, but every machine, don't care what make it is, it will break down. And I want to pick that phone up and I want somebody to listen to me, and they've got to act and they've got to move and they've got to get me going. And within the day, they were there and they got me going. And that's what we want. Because we're in the game so long now, we're not the biggest company in the world, but we have a big name and people watch what I do. And I know for a fact, when we're buying 1 or 2 Liugongs or 3 or 4 Liugongs, people are asking me questions and what do you think of this, Harry, what do you think of that? And I think Liugong have moved about 5 or 6 machines on the back of me, which is good. I won't put something in the wrong direction. I'll tell you the good points and the bad points, but overall, there's more good points than bad points. Every machine has good and bad points, but Liugong has got a lot of good points. So at this moment in time, I would recommend it to people.